mom's house to surprise her with her birthday gift. I've had this for the last month and I'm so excited to finally be giving it to her. It's a little dark outside, so I hope that she could see it good, but...
Where is she?
What? Are you kidding me? No, I couldn't. I couldn't wait. From you? Yeah,
Oh my god! Oh my god!
What if I was like, Prince? I'm just kidding.
Oh my god, I would have dressed cuter.
She falls into it.
What is going on?
Yay!
Oh my god!
We've had this for like 2 months.
What?
I don't even know what to do. How do you even start it?
Put your foot on the brake.
Mommy!
Keep your foot on the brake. I'll teach you how to drive it tomorrow.
My mom's dream car.
Oh my god! Kylie, come in here for 1 second.
She doesn't have any shoes on.
Oh my god!
Yeah. Well, you know, I'm glad this morning that we talking about this. Let me put some clothes on, nigga. Hold on. In my robe. Give me 1 quick second. I'm gonna run in this garage and get these bags and stuff. Well, I mean, it's a short, long story, but you are absolutely right now because she told me she was broke. Yes. She said, Mom, I said, baby, I got $843 and I needed some fresh tires and some other shit. That motherfucker said, I'm broke. I got to take care of my kids, Mama. I said, oh, God. I ain't never asked a day after that shit. And all I had asked for was $200 to go with my, excuse me, y'all, to go with my $800 to get the car fixed. But, hey, that's how it go. The bitches, when they go to Hollywood, honey, I'm just one of those tragic Hollywood stories. But it's not super tragic. It's tragic enough. See, had I not had my own shit and can afford to pay for my own shit and media to reach you motherfuckers, then I'm going to do what the fuck. I'm not so much, honestly, I'm not so much worried about her. If you can feel me. Of course, I love my daughter. Don't get it twisted. But if I never see her again, I won't be mad. Well, I left her a message. You know what I mean? I left her a message on social media. That's the only way I could reach her. And but even before then, before I bust everything out, she must be out your motherfucking whole mind. Nobody I can't pray to get shit from. Must be crazy. No sir. I don't give a fuck about nobody that much. So